Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Infinity Math. In today's video, let's learn fast squaring, the Vedic square trick. So finding squares of numbers ending in phi in seconds. Want to square big numbers in seconds? Most people struggle with squaring numbers like 35 squared or 85 squared and so on. But what if I told you there's a super fast trick that makes it easy? This trick lets you calculate squares lightning fast without a calculator. Let's take an example. Let's see how do you find 25 squared using this trick. Now let's see step 1. We follow two steps to calculate squared of any number ending in phi. So let's look at step 1. So you see step 1 says take the first digit and multiply by its next number. So the first digit is 2. You know the next number is 3. So multiply 2 by 3. So 2 times 3, that gives you 6. And then you write the 6 in the answer at the beginning of the answer. And then you look at step 2. So step 2 says always add 25 at the end. So you add 25 at the end. So what is the answer? It's 625. So 25 squared is 625. Now let's see another number. Let's take 35 and let's see what is 35 squared. Again, we use these two steps. Take the first digit. You see the first digit is 3. Take 3 and multiply by its next number, which is 4. So 3 times 4 will give you 12. And now you write 12 at the beginning of the answer. And now you look at step 2. So they say always add 25 at the end. So you add 25 at the end. So what is the answer? It's 1225. So 25 squared is 625. 35 squared is 1225. Let's take some more examples. So even if you can take bigger numbers and calculate its square using the same trick. Let's take another example question. Let's see what is 85 squared. So to find its square, again use first two steps. The first step, take the first digit and multiply by its next number. So the next number is 9. So 8 times 9, that gives you 72. And now you write this at the beginning of the answer. And then you follow step 2. So in step 2, always add 25 at the end. So what is the answer? It's 7225. So 85 squared is 7225. Now let's see what is 95 squared using the same trick. Again, you take the first digit, which is 9, and then you multiply by its next number, which is 10. So 9 times 10, you get 90. And this 90 goes in the beginning of the answer. And now you follow step 2, add 25 at the end. So what is the answer? It is 9025. So 85 squared is 7225. 95 squared is 9025. Alright, let's do one last question. So what if the number is having 3 digits? So what is 105 squared? Let's see this using the same trick. Now here, again we follow step 1. Take the first digit. But here, since that's a 3-digit number, you take first 2 digits instead of the first digit. So now you take 10. You're going to multiply by its next number. So 10 times 11, which is going to be 110. And then you write this at the beginning of the answer. And you follow step 2, add 25 at the end. So what is the answer? So it's 11025. So that's the square of 105. So like this, you can find square of any number ending in phi. Is this math trick actually useful? Share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. If you found this math trick helpful, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. And of course, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss more fun and easy math trick. See you in the next video.